Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start with midweek analysis for the gold and let's see what's happening in the market. Looking at the Forex factory first, we have USD 130 PM and then we got two second news as 130 PM as well. So employment cost index and unemployment claims. So these will have impact news for Thursday. This Thursday also the end of the month as well. So make sure you trade careful because a lot of traders and institutions close their trades. So this is another news actually. The third one, core PCE price index as well, employment cost and unemployment claims. So these are the three major news which were concerning because we're trading on in gold and we only concerned. However, if you want to use CAD, it's because CAD news sometimes give fluctuation as well in the gold price. But however, because it has happening the same time, so we will not see much differentiation because it's merged in these three news already. Okay, and now let's jump onto the gold chart and see what's happening in the market. Gold from a weekly perspective, this is third week already passed, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Uh, so today was Wednesday, and see the weekly candle was it was bearish, and because end of the month as well. So let's see what's happening in terms of month. So we had double doji here and a huge rejection from the top, and see what gonna happen now. And from this point of view, the previous weeks, as soon as broken, we had a good trade here. This high was broken with 15-minute candle, and it was 3323, and now market is 3265. So we had a huge fall as soon as this candle was broken. And let's go back again, and you'll see. In fact, this is here, and if I mark this area, and if I mark this line here, on top of this, you have some understanding how the market runs. So basically, market came on the weekly. This was Friday, and market rejected from this level here. This was the level, previous level here somewhere. But anyway, so what I'm trying to show you how the market behaved from here. So market opened here with 33.29 on Monday, as you can see from the weekly candle. And if you let me mark a line here, market opening time with a different color. The market opened from here, went to the upside, as you can see. Okay, went to the upside, about 50 pips, then broke down the opening of its opening, and this was a previous low of the market. Previous low was broken with huge 1 hour candle. So what does that mean? And it was broken on which day? It was broken on Monday. Interesting. So now we know that market is already hugely bearish because we have from the top we have a bearish trend as well, and now market tested this level, and now we're expecting for huge fall again. So this is how the market uh, is behaving. It's quite interesting when you look into the chart and dig down how the market moves. You will understand a lot of things. So, so this is a learning perspective. It's not only the trading. It's not a matter of giving you trade and how to trade, tell you the trade and stop loss. Is not the point. You have to understand trading. So once is if I go to 5 minutes, look, 50 minutes huge candle. You don't need to even go 5 minutes. Look, but that's what I wanted to show you. If I even go in 5 minutes, let's see in 5 minutes what a what an interesting situation is here. We had a huge sell and it was 1435 and at almost 1445 within 1 hour you had almost 250 pips. It's amazing. And today market tested the higher of that higher level of this breakout where market was already broken from around that area in market opening time on Monday, came down. So in weekly, what I can expect now? So basically in weekly now, I can expect further fall because end of month as well. So this is a fair value gap as well in weekly candle as well as in daily, as you can see. So at least the market should go to on this fair value gap level, and they may fall again. That's interesting. So if this level is broken, then you have further level 3204 in weekly. And in daily, we got 3242 as well. So this is what's happening in gold at the moment. But if you go 50 minutes, you may have some trading opportunities. On the break of this, we have this level. We can get a buy opportunity from here. If you want to go on 1 hour as well, and we can see that this candle can take you up to here. There's a fair value gap as well as break of structure. And if you want to use fib levels, and it's up to 50% of this, uh, golden, yeah, it's almost here. So you can get some trade here as well. But if you want to catch big moves, always look for the daily and weekly levels. And from there, go to smaller time frame and make your way towards your profit. I hope this is helpful and thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye-bye.